Alright, so here it is, AC Hotel Krakow. It should be mentioned that it's part of the Marriott franchise. I didn't know that, so we just learned that. It is fairly new, as we mentioned. There is a nice park over there. There is some sort of festival going on right now, but it is pretty clean. It's beautiful. It's a great option for your stay if you're coming to Krakow, either if you're going to Auschwitz or just visiting the historic center of the town. It is a good choice, definitely worth it. Right there you can see AC Marriott hotels. And we can see the lobby. We have the bar. It's modern. Oh, and you have this cool thing where you can clean your shoes. It's neat. You gotta press that, put your shoes in here, they get clean. You can see it's modern. You have this kind of club where you can just stay there, chill out for a couple minutes. The bar, bathrooms, and then we'll see you when we get here. Oh, this is the elevator right here. We'll see you in a minute. Out of the elevator. This is a nice hallway. It's not creepy, you know, like other hotels. This is actually pretty nice. This is our room over here, 330. And you know, you got the card in here. Place it. And
okay, so this is the hotel. This is how it looks.
so the hotel is the AC Marriott here in Krakow.
There is the bed. They want to turn on the lights.
Keep in mind, you need the room's card to start everything in here. AC, heater, and everything.
And then so we have a TV and a desk, and then they give you their restaurant selection, and then their menu, which is pretty cool. And then there is the bed, which is super comfortable. I tried it already. And then we got the closet, we got the safe, we have
a mini fridge,
water, but we're not sure if we have to pay for it.
You need to remember that anything in the hotel, we don't know if you're gonna pay for it, at least for the alcoholic beverage down there. They do have a price down there. They do have the tag. Here's the bathroom. Check this out.
Wow. The bathroom is huge.
And it's nice. It's beautiful.
It's really nice.
You have two sinks, you know, one's for hers, one for me. We have the shower. We have here our shower gel, conditioner, shampoo. And what I love the most about the shower is it is an overhead shower.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, you can kind of just change it here. And look at that. I love it. Now let's not just waste water. And then you can just do manually with this handler over here.
The shower is perfect.
We have the towel dryer over here. So we turn it on from here, depending how hot you want it. And we're just gonna leave it off because we're leaving.
And the mirror is super helpful for your skincare routine because you know it has these lights over here, and then also for your makeup. So
for makeup, yeah. Plus you have this one over here as well that it zooms in into your face, I guess. But yeah.
so this is the view at night. It's really cool, as you can see. And right there is a Mexican place where you can buy tacos and some other Mexican food. But this is gonna be our dinner for tonight because we ate a lot at the airplane. So yeah, we just bought a sandwich and some protein and milk and granola. So this is gonna be our dinner.
Alright, it's time for breakfast. So we're waiting for the elevator. We'll go down there and we'll see how that breakfast looks like, and more importantly, how does it taste. We'll go level 0. That's for the breakfast. Some pancakes. Some bacon. No. Alright, so it's time for checkout. Final rating of the hotel. I will say it has great amenities. It has the safe. Bed. What we think about the bed? I will say personally 8 out of 10. What you think?
I loved it. I will give it an 8.
8? Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's go with the next section. Balcony. I'll give it a 10.
Yeah, balcony. Well, I'll give it a 9 just because the floor was kind of.
Oh yeah, the floor is kind of dusty.
But out of that, I think it was awesome. The view is great. So yeah, it was a really nice place to have dinner at and just enjoy the view.
So yeah, 9. Yeah, I guess they can use some cleaning in here. You can see all the dust. Other than that, we managed to wipe off all the dust from the table and the chair. So yeah, it's a 9. And then we have our little sitting area over here. Now this couch, I got to give it a 5.
Yeah,
it's super hard. Yeah, it's
comfortable.
not comfortable at all. It's super hard. It's you know, details well appreciated, but the couch itself 5. We have this little table over here. If you don't feeling like dining outside, I will say at 8 too. We have the desk here. Fridge. We were able to just call reception. They emptied it out for us because we do not consume any alcohol. So we put our own drinks in here. It was a good detail, and they took like 10 minutes to come up here. This is on the 3rd floor. And we have the coffee, some cups, plates. Yeah, that's it for the AC Hotel in Krakow, Poland. If you're visiting for Auschwitz or just the city of Krakow, this is a great option. Gotta add that the parking, you gotta pay daily parking, which came down to, I want to say, $12 per day, 12 US dollars. Zlotys, I can't remember the exact amount, but yeah, you gotta pay for parking. Keep that in mind if you're driving a car. If not, public transportation here, it's great. We have line blue 1 and 20 coming from that direction. You can just hop on it and it will take you right straight down to downtown Krakow. Same for coming back. You can just hop back into 20 or line 1 or 20. It will just drop you off right straight up over there. So yeah, this is AC Hotel in Krakow. We are ready to leave now, and beautiful stay. Definitely recommended. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time.